Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app and select Alarm section at the top left corner of it. Then, before adding your alarm, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. When you are finished, go back, and to create your alarm, hit on this plus button at the bottom, so when I do that, I can set up an hour. Then save it by clicking on OK at the bottom right corner. Over here you can adjust your alarm however you want to. By tapping on Repeat, you can choose days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then, by selecting this little bell, you can pick the best music for your incoming alarm. By selecting YouTube Music at the top, you can log into your account and use music from it. By selecting Sounds though, you can tap on Add New and pick a song from your smartphone by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also just apply one of those melodies under Device Sounds by tapping on the best one for you. Wherever you decide, click on the back button. Now click on this square next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations, and click on Label to label your alarm however you want to. In order to save your label, hit OK. You can also add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine by selecting this plus next to it. Now, to hide all of those options, click on this little icon at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely thanks to this blue switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. In order to edit it, click on an hour and set up a different one. Then tap on OK, or simply click on this icon at the bottom right corner to adjust all of those options again. You can always delete it by choosing Delete option at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!